been in Italy for a week, and one thing that we wanted to do was to create a bucket list of 3 items for one another to complete during our 6 months here in Italy. So neither of us have seen what the other person has wrote, so we are revealing our first one. Are you ready for your future? This one.
Go first.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this is elaborate. Create and illustrate a short story.
Yep. It can
Wow.
be. It can be a picture. It could be a single picture that tells a story. It could be a series of pictures that tell a story. You need to illustrate a picture that tells a story. It could be about
Right.
adventures. It could be about anything that
Got
inspires
this.
you on a trip.
Got it. All right, open yours.
Get an Italian shave.
Yes, specifically
Oh,
from the
wow.
barber in Piccolo Alley. So in Gaeta, there is this barber shop, and the man who, I think he either owns it or he just works there, has the most magnificent mustache. So you have to
Yes,
go
he
and
does.
get a nice shave.
I don't feel proper enough to go there.
You can do it.
Okay. Easy enough. I don't have to do anything but sit in the chair.
Exactly.
Okay.
It's an Italian experience.
I can do it.
All of the men here are clean shaven.
Guess we'll see it before and after of my face.
Eat it all. So we're just chilling in the Naples Metro over here. Everything is decorated differently in all the metros, so it's pretty cool. This one's underwater themed. And we're gonna reveal our,
Next bucket list challenge.
yep, me first.
Huh? Oh, sorry. Okay.
Go ahead.
Kiss me in a Tuscan vineyard. That'll be an easy one.
Yeah, it's so romantic. Make all my rom-com dreams come true.
Be great.
It's easy.
That is easy. Yours is not.
Oh gosh. Taste 5 new and exotic foods. Wow, that one's not too hard in Italy.
No. 5 foods you've never tried.
All right. I'll make them the weirdest ones.
Be sure to capture them on video as you're tasting them too. Get your reaction.
Sounds good to me.
Alright. That's all we got. Till the
Only
next
one more
time.
left. The best one. very last one.
Last one.
Is it a good one?
Yeah, I think so. All mine are good ones.
Yours are, yes, lengthy. Okay,
All right, here you go.
go ahead, open yours at the same time.
Open yours first.
Aw. What if it doesn't happen? Have an encounter with beauty that brings you to tears. What if I can't? I'm not a natural crier.
Just have to immerse yourself in beautiful things and wait for that moment when something gives you a heart strike and brings you to tears.
Well, if anything makes me cry, it's an encounter with the Lord, so. All right.
We'll capture it.
Mine is not as deep.
Wear a Speedo. You're going to share that with everyone?
Maybe from a distance. Keep it family friendly.
I mean, that's family friendly here.
It is family friendly here, so technically it's not culturally weird or anything.
So I'll get my face shaved. I'm going to give you a kiss. And I'm going to wear a Speedo.
Yeah, so basically your bucket list is for me. Mine are all very lengthy, I feel like. They require a lot of myself.
Yeah.
Which one are you most nervous about?
The shave.
Shave? Why? Because that man's mustache was pretty intimidating.
It's like another level.
We have to get him on film. Hopefully he'll let us.
I don't think I ever saw him smile.
Yeah, he never smiles.
He's pretty serious.
All right. So if you have an idea of a bucket list item for me or Andrew, leave it below in the comments and maybe we'll pick the best one. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Until next time.
Arrivederci.
Arrivederci.